The most common problem that tank wrap is going to address is going to be corrosion. So corrosion in the shell, which causes thinning, and after you run calculations, we can determine if it's sufficient or not. If the shell is not sufficient alone, then the old way of doing it would be to weld a plate or cut out a plate and do an insert plate. With tank wrap, we can provide that same structural strengthening for those hoop loads caused by hydrostatic pressure that's inside of the tank due to the liquid height and what's in the tank. So we can do that externally or internally. Each has its own pros and cons. And some of the limitations around where we can use the standard, we can't use it in the bottom 12 inches of the tank for a compliant repair.